guys, today I wanted to show you this bag. So first thing first, on the outside, you can see that it's first a very big bag and it's super cute. It has my initial all sparkling pink and it has all these bows on it, which makes it adorable. And inside it's so big, you could fit so many things in here. This would be great for like if you do sports like cheer, if you do sleepovers, if you're traveling somewhere. It comes with a strap with this, so it's not like hurting your shoulder, which is super nice. So it's nice and soft. You just attach it right here and here. So you can carry this around your neck or like this. And then it comes with this where you just use the Velcro. Keeps it nice and tight. So first I'm going to show you the compartments. There's a compartment on this side where you put in your shoes and it goes all the way inside on here, which is super smart. So it doesn't get your shoes dirty. Your clothes dirty from your shoes or whatever you have inside. You can fit so much things. I have this huge Squishmallow just to show you how big it is, and it's still able to shut. You could pack your skincare, your clothes, like I said, your shoes. There's different compartments for different things. You could put, let's say, like a book here would fit. I have my phone here. Just slide it in. There's more stuff in here. You could put maybe like your more personal thing, like your wallet. Even more on the side, you could put like, I don't know, pencils, keys, whatever you want. There's on the side for if you want, like, let's say a water bottle, any type of bottles. And then on the back, there's another zipper one, which it could also work for your phone. So as you can see, it's super spacious and organized to keep everything ready. And then like random stuff like iPads, clothes, you can fill it with whatever you want. So if you're looking for not only a bag that is adorable, it's like a new trend now with preppy stuff, but it also holds a lot of stuff and it keeps everything organized, and I would definitely recommend trying this.